Aha! Daisy, don't look now, but I think I am finally awake. I have had 3 cups of coffee and I still feel like a sleepy bear today. Welcome back to Teach Easy English, everyone. I'm Dave.
3 cups? Dave, that is too much. You will be jumping off the walls. Hello, everyone. I am Daisy. It is so good to be here. Actually, Dave, your coffee story is perfect because I was at the cafe this morning and I almost didn't order my drink because the line was so long and I felt a bit shy.
Aha! See, even you wanted to talk, but your brain said, oh no, people. That is exactly what we are chatting about today. We are so happy you are here with us. This is the place for friendly, easy English conversations.
It really is. And that feeling I had at the cafe, that I don't want to talk feeling, is what we call social anxiety. It sounds like a big, scary medical phrase, but we are going to break it down into very simple English for you today.
Exactly. So if your heart beats fast when you meet new people, or if you feel nervous talking to a stranger, this episode is for you. And remember, you are not alone. Many people feel this way in their own language, and especially in English.
So let's learn some simple ways to feel better. Dave, let's look at that big phrase, social anxiety.
Let's do it. Social means about people, or being with people, like a party or a meeting at work.
Right, and anxiety is just a feeling. It's a feeling of worry or being very nervous.
So social anxiety is just that butterflies in your stomach feeling you get when you are with other people.
Perfect. It is that feeling. Your hands might feel a little cold. Your heart might beat fast. You might think, oh no, what do I say? What if I make a mistake?
I feel like that sometimes before we hit the record button, Daisy.
Really? Me too. So it's a very normal feeling. And for English learners, it can feel even bigger. You're not just talking to people, you're talking in a new language.
Yes, so today we will talk about some simple situations. We'll talk about going to work, going to class, and talking to strangers.
And we'll give you some very short, simple English phrases you can use right now.
Let's start with the first situation, going to work. Daisy, imagine you start a new job. You walk into the office on your first day. How do you feel?
Oh, I feel very nervous. I see many new people. I don't know their names. Everyone looks very busy. I feel a little bit alone.
That is a very common feeling. So what can you do? You can use a very small, simple phrase. You can just say, hello, or good morning.
Yes, hello. It's so simple, but it's powerful. And you can say it with a smile. A smile is like a universal hello in every country.
And after hello, you can say your name. My name is Dave, or I'm Dave. Let's practice a little conversation. Daisy, you are a friendly person at the office. I'm the new person.
Okay, I'm ready. Clear my throat. Good morning. You must be the new person. Welcome.
Good morning. Yes, my name is Dave.
It is nice to meet you, Dave. I'm Daisy.
It's nice to meet you too. The teacher is very nice, I think.
Yes, she is.
And that's it. The conversation can stop there, or it can continue. But you started it. You made a connection.
Now, the third situation can be the most difficult for many people, talking to a stranger. Maybe you're at a bus stop or in a coffee shop.
This is often called small talk. Small talk is a short, friendly conversation about simple things. The weather is a very common topic for small talk in English.
It is true. English people love to talk about the weather. It's not a deep conversation, it's just friendly.
So, what can you say? You can look outside and say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
That's a great one. When you say, isn't it, at the end, you're asking for agreement. It's a friendly way to make a comment. The other person will usually just say, yes, it is.
Or if it's raining, you can say, it's really raining hard today.
Let's do one more small conversation. Daisy, we're both waiting for the bus.
Okay, I'm looking for the bus.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It is. Perfect for a walk.
Yes, I think so too. I hope the bus comes soon.
Me too. See? Very simple. You're not asking personal questions like, how old are you? Or how much money do you make? No, just simple comments about the situation.
Exactly. So we talked about 3 situations: work, class, and strangers. We have some simple phrases, but Dave, what if someone is still very nervous? What can they do to feel more comfortable?
That is a very important question, Dave. Let's talk about some tips. Tip number 1, practice small talk. You can practice alone in front of a mirror.
Aha! Talk to yourself. Say, "Hello, how are you?" to yourself in the mirror. It sounds funny, but it helps your mouth and your brain get used to the words.
Tip number 2, remember to breathe. When we are nervous, we sometimes forget to breathe. Just take one slow, deep breath. It helps your body relax. I love that. Just breathe. Tip number 3, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to connect. People want to be friendly. They will understand if your English is not perfect. A small mistake is okay.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. We all make them. I still make mistakes in English sometimes.
No, Daisy, not you.
Yes, me. It is true. So be kind to yourself.
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that A1 learners make. These are small things, and if you know them, you can feel more confident.
The first common mistake is with the question, "How are you?" Many learners answer with, "I am fine," which is correct, but a little bit formal.
Native speakers often say shorter, more casual things. They say, "I'm good," or "not bad," or even "pretty good."
So if someone says, "How are you?" you can try saying, "I'm good, thanks." It sounds very natural.
Another common mistake is not using short answers. For example, if someone asks you, "Is this your bag?" you don't always need to say the full sentence. "Yes, this is my bag."
You can just say, "Yes, it is," or "No, it isn't." A short answer is often more natural.
Good point. Okay, we have given you a lot of information. Let's do a quick recap. Let's practice the key phrases together.
Great idea. We will say the phrase slowly, then leave a space for you to repeat it. Ready, Dave?
Ready.
First, the basic greetings. Hello. Good morning. My name is.
Excellent. Now phrases for meeting people. It is nice to meet you. It is nice to meet you too.
Now, questions to start a conversation. Is this seat free? Is this the English class?
And finally, some small talk about the weather. It is a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is.
Wonderful. You are doing great. Remember these phrases. You can write them in a notebook. Practice them every day.
Yes, practice makes progress. You don't need to be perfect, just try. Every small conversation is a big victory.
So that's all for our main topic today. We hope you feel a little better about social anxiety. Remember, it is a normal feeling, and you can manage it with these simple English phrases.
We believe in you. Now it is time to close our show.
Yes. Thank you so much for listening to the Teach Easy English podcast. If you liked this episode, please tell a friend.
Yes, and please help us grow. You can subscribe to our channel on your favorite app. That way you never miss an episode.
If you are on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, and we love to read your comments. You can write to us.
Tell us what makes you feel nervous when speaking English, or tell us about a small conversation you had this week. We read every comment and we love to hear from you.
Your English journey is important to us. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step, or in our case, a small conversation.
So, keep practicing your English every day, even for 5 minutes. You can do it.
We will be back next week with another easy English conversation. Until then,
keep learning and keep smiling.
goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.